Hello students and families! Today we're going to be talking about PBS Kids and why this resource is such a great learning opportunity for us in the classroom this year. So PBS Kids actually follows what we call a 4 E's checklist. So the E's consist of effectiveness, efficiency, enhancement, and engagement. So if we scroll down here, we're going to take a look at the games. So this says games. Let's click on that. And then we're going to scroll all the way down to more topics. We're going to click this. So as we can see here, we have so many different topics, from space to science, reading, math, engineering, measurement, ABCs. There are so many options. And so PBS Kids really follows our preschool standards that we have at our school. So let's take a look at science. So here we're learning about space and the earth and the moon, so different earth sciences. We're learning about the jungle, ponds, the deep sea. So many different things that we are learning in our standards. Then if we click on math games, it does the same thing as well. So let's see, we have sorting, and we're creating cookies, we're making measurements, we are creating shapes or objects out of different shapes, and we're doing lots of counting with Curious George. So there are so many games here that match our standards at school too. So along with this, PBS Kids is going to be very efficient for us to use in our classroom this year, as it's going to save us time, and you will be going to be using this resource during stations or during free play, and it's a free resource, so it's going to be saving our classroom a lot of money as well. And since it's free, you can play these games with your families at home. So also with enhancement, we're actually applying our knowledge that we have previously, and we are connecting it to the real world. So if we take a look at nature games and scroll down, we're learning about animals that are collecting seeds, and different ocean animals, and rivers, and backyard life. And these are all topics that we can connect to in our real world. And last, I want to talk about engagement. So I bet that most of you know what PBS Kids is and have been watching maybe their shows or have maybe even played on this website. So we're taking those characters that are on those shows and we're bringing them into the classroom so that they can learn with you and just have fun, and you can make all of those different kinds of connections as well. So this is such a great resource. PBS Kids is going to be with us a lot this school year, and I encourage you to get familiar with it and to check it out and do some explorations on it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys soon.